There are so many things that make the upper school unique, in my opinion. I would say the most important piece is the opportunities that we provide, not only in terms of like the basics of the classroom teaching, but the before school activities, the clubs, the relationships they build, the after school activities, the trips, the organisations. There's just so many things for students to try each and every day. The other piece that is very special for us is the sense of well-being and care that we provide for our students. Not only through the structures that we've put in place, but honestly just through the relationships that are built between students and teachers, and the overall sense of well-being that just permeates the organisation. I think the piece that has really made me proud today, and as of most days, honestly, it's the students. At today's open house, we were lucky enough to have lots of our students helping out as student ambassadors. And it's just wonderful to see them talk so passionately and enthusiastically about what we offer as a school, what it is to be a student here. It's always lovely to speak to families, students about the incredible opportunities that we offer at ISL.
Immediately after my presentation, I had a couple of gentlemen come to me and wished that they could come to the school and wished that they were a lot younger. And then I had a young child that is only in grade 4, but coming to me and asking at what time that they were able to come into our upper school. So both ends of the spectrum and the generations wanting to come to ISL, and that made me extremely proud.